Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to show your display refresh rate in your Galaxy device. First of all, go to your settings. In settings, scroll down and select About Phone. Here, tap on Software Information. Now tap on Build Number for 7 times to enable developer options. Verify your phone lock. And here we can see developer option enabled. Now all you have to need, go to your phone settings. In your settings, scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on developer options. Here tap on the search icon and type here refresh. And here you will find show refresh rate. Just tap on the settings and show refresh rate, enable this option. And now on you will be able to see your display or mobile current display refresh rate. Here we can see my refresh rate is 90. And if you want to change your display refresh rate, then you can go to settings, and in settings scroll down and select display. Here tap on motion smoothness. Now you can go ahead and change your display refresh rate. Thanks for watching.